Have you ever opened a research paper, closed it just as fast? You're not alone. Academic papers can feel like decoding ancient scrolls, but don't worry. Today I'll show you how to read them like a pro, even if you're just starting out. First, let's break down the structure. Most research papers follow the IMRAD format: introduction, methods, results, and discussion. Here's how it works. Abstract is a summary of the entire paper. Read this first. It tells you the what and why. Introduction sets the stage. What's the research question? Why does it matter? Look for the gap in knowledge the paper addresses. Methods tell us how the study was conducted. If you're not replicating the study, skim this unless it's crucial. Results show us the raw findings. Focus on tables, graphs, and key numbers. Discussion or conclusion describes what it all means. This tells you the so what of the study. Time-saving tip: you don't need to read every word. Use this order to skim smartly. Start with the abstract, then read the introduction and conclusion. Scan the results. Look for graphs and bolded numbers. Skim methods if you're unsure how the data was gathered. Don't get stuck on big words. Research papers love jargon, but you don't have to strategy one. Use Google Scholar's Cite button to get the key takeaway. Strategy 2. Copy tricky sentences into ChatGPT or a plain language translator. Strategy 3. Look up terms in glossaries or websites like PubMed while reading. Ask yourself, what's the research question? How do they answer it? So what? Why does this matter? This keeps you active, not just reading, but thinking. So next time you face a dense research paper, don't panic. Just break it down, skim smart, and ask the right questions. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe for more research tips. And let me know in the comments what's the hardest part about reading research papers for you.